Got it here a couple of pretty vintage MREs. First of all, I got it here water canister containing 16 fluid ounces. This is really old. I cannot see the date on it, but let's see how it works. So this, how you would put it in and spin it. I think the key was supposed to be sitting down here, maybe not, but let's open it. And this is pretty weird opening it way. Ooh, I wonder if it's a clear water. So you have a little canister. Oh no, that's not clear water at all. So the canister got compromised and you have dark water. Let's see if it clears out. Not at all. If water stores in a good quality PBA-free container, it can store indefinitely, pretty much. But look at that, in this kind of container, that's what happened to your water. You see all that rust went all the way through. You get this really black water. This right here, food container, and it tells you what it contains, and it tells you to ration it. Pretty much use the same little key. Okay, you pull this up. This is some of the oldest rations I've ever seen. It's probably like a boat ration or something like that. So you twist it to open all the way around, so you do not need can opener, and usually it will just come with the can, this key. As you can see, it was a set. Okay, all the way around. Now we can open that. That's beautiful, don't you guys think? That's probably gonna be my thumbnail. So let's pull one thing out over here. Lifeboat and raft ration. This one looking nice. This charcoal will soften when the heat is excessive, and on cooling down it may have a white sun face. The whiteness does not affect the eating of gwalling something of the chocolate, and it still reading its full food value. So you have right here 2 chocolate bars. This right here, contain food slowly, does not tell me what it is. And I have 2 of these things. We'll open it, and what is that? It has no marking. Ooh, look at that. It's like breads. This is like tablet foods. Smells chocolatey. But yeah, those are crackers. Also smells really sweet. It does not smell very stale. And let's open this one up. Wow. I can't believe how good of a quality it stayed all together. And that's what they're talking about. From heat, it have lost its color, but it's still good, I guess. But you know what? I'm not gonna eat it because look at that. It seems to be a bit stale. Wow. It just wanted to fall apart. The cracker seems to be stayed together the best. But there you go. That's what's in this very unique, really old, like lifeboat rations. Water and food.